Knowledge, skills, and abilities, often abbreviated as KSA, are three distinct yet interrelated factors determining an individual's job or task competency. Knowledge refers to the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. It is often gained through education, training, or experience, for example, knowledge about computer programming, financial laws, or medical procedures. Skills are the practical applications of knowledge in real-world scenarios. Skills can be technical, like the ability to code in Python, or soft, like effective communication or problem-solving skills. Abilities are the innate or acquired capabilities to perform tasks. Abilities include physical capabilities, like strength or agility, and mental capabilities, like logical reasoning or creativity. KSA are particularly relevant in the semiconductor industry, a highly technical and rapidly evolving field. Here's how KSA applies specifically to this industry. In terms of knowledge, professionals in the semiconductor industry need to have a deep understanding of electronics, material science, physics, or chemistry as an example. This knowledge is fundamental for designing, manufacturing, and testing semiconductor devices. It also includes understanding the latest technological advancements, industry standards, and environmental regulations. Skills in the semiconductor industry can be pretty specialized. They include technical skills like circuit design, semiconductor fabrication, quality control, and proficiency in specific software tools used in design and manufacturing. Soft skills like problem-solving, teamwork, and project management are also crucial, as the industry involves complex projects that require collaboration across various departments. Abilities in this context include analytical thinking, troubleshooting, and optimizing semiconductor processes or manual dexterity for handling delicate semiconductor components. Adapting to new technologies and methods is also vital due to the fast-paced nature of the industry. For students and early professionals aiming to enter the semiconductor industry, effectively applying the KSA framework can be a strategic approach to career development. In summary, the semiconductor industry relies heavily on a workforce with a specific set of knowledge, skills, and abilities to innovate, produce, and maintain the quality of its products. As technology advances, the KSA requirements in this sector also evolve, necessitating continuous learning and adaptation from its professionals.